Hi guys, Jaime back with another video, like a life lesson video regarding real estate. When I first graduated from UCSB, I had no credit. So I didn't have a credit card. I didn't have anything to my name. But I wanted a home because the idea of renting has never really been that exciting for me. It's cliche, but why make somebody else rich where you can just build equity yourself? And equity is how much money you own in a home. So I wanted to buy a home. I didn't have any credit, but I had a good paying job and I wanted a home really bad. So, I try to read about ways to get into a home, but everything's so new at first that it's kind of scary. It's a big leap. People say that buying a home is one of the biggest commitments you'll ever make. And in the same way, it can also be one of the biggest mistakes you make, right? Commitments are bad if they're done improperly. So I spent hours and hours reading and talking to people and making connections and talking to lenders and talking to people, and they basically told me the same thing. Well, they all asked me the same thing. What's your credit score? And I had to go and tell them what I'm telling you right now. Well, look, I've been interning for the last 2 years. No, and they said, no. Well, how much have you made over the last 2 years? Give me your last 2 years' taxes. Well, I've been interning because I'm a student. So what's your credit score? I don't have one because I didn't know I needed a credit card to do this. I wasn't preparing myself for this. No. A lot of people said no. But I was persistent. I like doing things. So I kept asking lenders and getting bounced back and forth. Till one day I found the house that I live in now. So I've purchased a couple of homes ever since that year, 2017. I've been buying one home a year. But this is the first home I ever purchased. And I saw it on Redfin. And I liked the home because it's right across the street from where I work. And I just knew that I needed this home. So I ended up being persistent. I went and spoke to a lender here in Santa Barbara. And I ended up finding a way to qualify with my pay stubs. Granted, my pay stubs were pretty decently, they weren't low, but they weren't high as well, right? I'm just a new grad. I ended up showing him my pay stubs. I ended up proving to him that, hey, I'm a responsible adult. I've been paying rent. I have a job. I can do this, but you just have to give me a chance. And I met with him. I met with the company because they're a private lending firm here. And I ended up getting the loan. So I was really happy. The rate wasn't the best, but that's okay because you can always refinance. But granted, I didn't have any credit. I didn't have any borrowing experience. So what else could I ask for? So just the point of this message is to show you that there are ways to do things. You just have to be persistent. So just ask around if you have a home that's realistic, that you can justify to yourself by saying, this home makes sense. I know that my job is stable enough that I would be able to comfortably pay the bills. But if you're having a hard time because of your credit, don't give up unless you think that that's not the best thing for you to do right now. And if you have any questions, I'm here to help you. So I hope you have a nice day. Subscribe if you like this content. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Goodbye, guys.